Hi everyone, my name is Ali Iqbal. This is the second video of my AWS series. In this video, I will provide you 12 benefits of using AWS Cloud. So let's start. Many companies prefer AWS Cloud over other cloud providers because of the advantages it provides. Some of these advantages are security. Security is one of the key considerations when you are storing customer data. And luckily, AWS is architected to be the most secure cloud computing environment available today. AWS utilizes an end-to-end approach to secure and harden the infrastructure, including physical, operational, and software measures. Their core infrastructure is built to satisfy the security requirements for the military, global banks, and other high sensitivity organizations. This is backed by a deep set of cloud security tools with over 300 security compliance and governance services and features. AWS supports 98 security standards and compliance certifications, and all 117 AWS services that store customer data offer the ability to encrypt that data. Moreover, AWS services cannot access other AWS services unless you explicitly enable access. This is due to security reasons. Scalability. Scalability in cloud computing refers to the ability to either increase or decrease computing resources as needed to meet the changing demand. AWS provides scalability through its auto-scaling service, which automatically increases or decreases the capacity of constrained resources as per requirement. We can scale almost any service in AWS from databases to networking with little to no downtime. Spinning up new servers is easy in AWS. If you want to add more servers, AWS enables you to add and use them within minutes. In the past, scaling with on-premises physical infrastructure would take weeks or months and require massive expenses. Elasticity. Elasticity refers to a system's ability to grow or shrink dynamically in response to changing workload demands. A flexible system automatically adjusts to best match responses with demand, like a sudden spike in web traffic. A company that has variable and unexpected workloads may seek an elastic solution in the public cloud. One of the benefits of the AWS cloud is its elasticity. If you consume less resources and do not require the rest, AWS will automatically decrease the resources to meet your needs in real time. Reliability. AWS provides its consumers with the highest level of reliability. AWS has over a million active clients in over 200 countries across the world. With AWS Cloud, you can take advantage of a scalable, reliable, and secure global computing infrastructure. Cost effective. One of the greatest advantages of using AWS Cloud is its cost effectiveness. AWS offers a pay as you go approach for pricing for the vast majority of their cloud services. With pay as you go pricing, you only pay for the individual services you need for as long as you use them without requiring long term contracts or complex licensing. AWS pricing is similar to how you pay for utilities like water and electricity. You only pay for the services you consume, and once you stop using them, there are no additional costs or termination fees. Multi-region backups. AWS Backup supports cross-region backup, enabling AWS customers to copy backups across multiple services to different regions. With AWS Backup, you can centrally configure the backup scheduling, set retention policies, and monitor backup activities for AWS resources. Cross-region backup offers a centralized solution to store a copy of backup data more than a region away from production data, helping customers to more easily meet business continuity, disaster recovery, and compliance requirements. Easy to use. AWS offers a user-friendly platform that even a beginner can utilize in comparison to other platforms. It is achievable because of AWS well-documented documentation and user-friendly management console. Flexible. AWS enables you to select the operating system, programming languages, web application platform, database, and other services you need. With AWS, you receive a virtual environment that lets you load the software and services your application requires. This eases the migration process for existing applications while preserving options for building new solutions. Innovation. The emphasis on innovation is one of the key reasons to utilize AWS. AWS allows you to test your ideas before releasing them to the public without investing in expensive infrastructure. Because of its emphasis on innovation, AWS has been able to attract and assist organizations ranging from small startups to large global brands. Extremely powerful. Companies can run their large, complex simulations and deep learning workloads in the AWS cloud with a complete suite of high performance computing products and services on AWS. Moreover, gain insights faster and quickly, move from idea to market with virtually unlimited compute capacity, a high performance file system, and a high throughput networking. Unlimited tools. While AWS was primarily intended for cloud storage and computing, but it has since grown to include over 200 products and services such as compute, storage, networking, databases, analytics, application services, deployment, management, mobile, developer tools, and Internet of Things. AWS is a one stop shop for all of your cloud computing and information technology needs. Global leader. AWS has the largest and most dynamic community with millions of active customers and tens of thousands of partners globally. Customers across virtually every industry and of every size, including startups, enterprises, and public sector organizations, are using AWS. Other cloud service providers struggle to match AWS expertise and capacity. AWS has dominated the public cloud since its inception in 2006, and with this considerable advantage, the company will continue to build even more features, services, and products for consumers in the future. So that's it from today's video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and share with others. I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you.